Hey guys, welcome back to the Railroad Model Train and Toy Time here with another video. Today we are unboxing an engine. I just received it today from eBay. So without further ado, let's get into the package and see what we have. Alright guys, so this is what I received. It's a 080 steam locomotive. So this is the one side of it, and I believe the other side should be the same. If it doesn't have any damage on it, which it doesn't look like, as this is the front of the locomotive, and then we have the back, which has the, I believe, the road name on it, although I bet they call that something different in the German railways and other railways around the world. Here's the top of the locomotive. You can see inside a little bit of engine, or the AC engine that powers it. So then we have all the bells and whistles on top, and the steam stack over the boiler part of the locomotive. We can also see the driving rods, I think that's what they're called, on the locomotive, and these will move when the locomotive is in motion. Alright, so now I'm going to get this locomotive on the track so we can see it run and test it out. Alright, so here it is on the track, and I got my transformer hooked up, and hopefully if I adjust the speed dial, this locomotive will move. Alright guys, so here is the train engine. I have warmed it up before I went to dinner, so it should be all ready to go. It is very important when you buy an engine, at least a used engine, in my experience, to warm it up with another engine, and what that entails is coupling it to the engine and making sure this one did run, but it was very spasmodic, I guess, and the engine just would not run around the actual circle. It wouldn't go very fast at all, even on full power. But the wheels on the engine were free. There was nothing that was clogging them. And so what I did, I hooked it up to my biggest steam engine. You guys have seen that engine before. And I pulled it around the train layout full power, allowing the engines, the pistons inside of it, these two, and every gear in the gear train to get warmed up, get the engine sort of back and ready to move. And when you pick this engine up, it was hot afterwards. Like, those things have to run hot. They cannot run cold. I think it's also probably properties of the lubrication as well. The lube works really well when the engine is hot, so parts are flowing freely and not really under a lot of stress and causing the engine to run poorly. So without further ado, let's get this engine on its way.